When you see Frost Farms Garden Center, you might think flowers, veggies, and perennials. But did you know we also carry a great selection of trees? We have a variety of New England grown trees available in containers or balled and burlapped and ready to be delivered to your door. You'll find choice apple trees, well suited for our climate, plus other trees like peach, plum, and cherry. If you're looking for native selections, we have shadblow and red maple, plus evergreens like spruce and hemlock. We carry ornamental and non-native evergreens too, like false cypress or the deer-resistant green giant arborvitae, ideal for hedges and landscape plantings. If you're looking for an ornamental tree to really elevate your yard, you might try spring flowering crab apples or foliage trees like Japanese maples. If we don't have exactly what you're looking for, well, Frost Farms can special order it, and we can deliver your trees and plant them too. Find your plant and tree passion here in Town Hill or online at frostfarmsmdi.com.